This one ritual completely shifted my emotional state, my energy, and my entire life. And it all began with the sun. A few years ago, I was doing everything right. Good job, good routine, but inside I felt disconnected. Burnout, emotional chaos, spiritual numbness, and one morning I just sat with the sun. No phone, no noise, just breath and presence. That one moment, it cracked something open, and from there, this became my sacred sunrise ritual. What is the ritual? It's simple. No 5 a.m. alarms, just consistency. Step 1. Wake with natural light or 10 minutes post sunrise. Step 2. Sit facing the sun, back straight, eyes closed, no sun gazing yet. Step 3. Breathe deeply. 5 slow inhales and exhales. Step 4. Place your hand on your heart. Say silently, I welcome the light. I release what's not mine. Affirm it again. I welcome the light. I release what's not mine. And step 5. Visualize golden light entering the crown of your head, flowing down. This activates the 5 elements: the sky, air, fire, water, and earth. No apps, no chants, just you and the light. हे थैंक यू सो मच अभी तक ये वीडियो वॉच करने के लिए। और अभी तक अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, ये चैनल अभियोग सिर्फ इमोशनल बैलेंस ही नहीं देगा, आपको एक ओवरऑल लाइफ का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा। और हिट दैट बेल आइकन टू सो यू गेट नोटिफाइड फॉर ऑल आवर वीडियोस। और आइए अब वीडियो पे वापस चलते हैं। हाउ इट चेंज्ड मी। I didn't expect transformation, but it happened anyway. I became more calm, less reactive, more emotionally available to myself. I stopped feeling like that I was at war with my own mind. This isn't about the sun, it's about reconnecting to life through presence, spiritual and elemental meaning. In Vedic wisdom, the sun isn't just a light source, it's your inner fire. It activates the 5 elements and restores balance. That's why this ritual isn't optional, it's primal. Your body was designed to begin the day with the light. If you're feeling lost, tired, heavy, don't scroll, don't run, just sit with the sun every day. Let it remember you. Download your free 5 elements morning guide, link in the description. Comment sunlight if you are ready to try this tomorrow. And yes, don't forget to subscribe. Next video will decode how your body stores emotions and how to release them naturally. Until then, stay mindful and stay ignited.